Let's learn together. In this embedded C interview question series, our question is what is a function pointer? This is most asked question in every interview to check the understanding of the pointers. So if you have any answer regarding this, please comment it in the comment box. Now let's dive deep into the answer of this question. So answer is function pointer is a type of pointer only. It's similar to our normal pointer, but difference is instead of pointing address of a variable, it points address of a code or reference of a subroutine slash function. So normal pointer points to address of variable, but here it points to starting address of function or subroutine or starting address of code. So the structure of the code is or the structure of the function pointer is initially we have to write return type of that function pointer, then into bracket. This bracket is very important. So then bracket, then asterisk, pointer name that we want to give, then bracket close, then again bracket open, then argument of the functions. So the pointer which we are using for some function, then what are the argument of that function, whether the arguments input argument are 2 3, based on that we have to write the arguments, like a int a is there, int b is there, then int a comma int b, then equal to function name. Function name means the pointer name is there, and we want to know which function it should access or which function you want to assign to this pointer name, or you may call it as which function reference we want to give to this ptr name. Okay, so I hope this idea you have got about the function pointer. Now let's see the actual demo so that you will get a clear idea about the function pointer. So let's go to the code. Yeah, so here I am making one function, that is int add into bracket int a comma int b. Means add is a function which returns integer result and which will take two integer values. So here this return type will be int, then pointer name will be some ptr, and arguments are two. Which are those two arguments? That is int and int. So integer type arguments are there. So and which function name is there? Function name is there add. So here see the actual declaration. So int is return type, then ptr is the pointer name, then two arguments are there for this function. So int comma int I have added and equal to address of this function. So address of the function is nothing but and into add. Add is nothing but the function name, or you can remove this add also, because this also represents the function address. So whether you keep or doesn't need, but just for point of view, for sake of understanding, I am putting is and. Now if I want to, so it means that this address reference is assigned to this ptr. Now if I want to call this function, so instead of calling this function add, I'll call directly this ptr function pointer. So this is the ptr function pointer, and in this curly braces what I'm passing, two argument passing, and what is the value of it? 5 and 10. Then if I'm doing this, then sum will get result of addition. But where that add function is written, just I'll go little down. So here this function is written. So integer is nothing but the return type, add is the function name, two are arguments, and I am returning a plus b. So like that we can make different function. It's just demonstration. So in sum what I'll get, I will get the 5 plus 10, that is 15, and that sum I'm printing. So I'll get result equal to 15. Let's run the code. 15 I have got. Let's change the value. Try to run the code. 1 on 5. Again, so I hope you got the clear idea about how function pointer works. But one important thing I want to mention here, you must have to have these curly braces for your pointer. Then and then it will be considered as a function pointer. Otherwise, it will be treated as a normal pointer only. So it is most priority and most important thing you have to consider while defining. So this is the structure of the function pointer. I hope you got the clear idea. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get all updated new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.